What is poppin', YouTube? It's your girl Baby Lex.aay, and we are here with my first episode. Today we're going to be doing this Bantu knot look, so let's go ahead and hop right into it. I already parted my hair in 4 parts, kind of started, but it's okay, we move. So first we have Lotta Body Leave-In Conditioner, love that stuff. Next we have tea tree oil. After we're done, we're going to put it through our scalp, and then this nice paddle brush, because it do the work, it do the job, y'all. And Wetline Extreme. It's my favorite gel. I don't use Eco anymore because ew. Now, usually people do Bantu knots with blow dry hair, but I personally do it with wet hair because it just works better for me. But I also did have to leave them in for a longer time so my hair could dry. I want to say I left them in for about 1 or 2 days, and then I took them out. I walked around with the Bantu knots in my head. It's no shame in the game, man. Natural hair it's a beast, so you have to just do what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying? So when I get towards the front of my hair, you'll get a better view of how I'm actually doing the Bantu knots itself. So just, bear with me and we'll get there.
Relax.
Alright, party people, let's get to the nitty gritty. Okay, so now here's the good part, what we've all been waiting for. How do you do the Bantu knot? Well, you twist it like so, like that. And you just, wrap it around itself and make a little ball on your head. The hair's around, and then you put a rubber band on top of it, to keep it secure or whatever.